Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add captions to YouTube videos for free. You can use this to add captions to any of your YouTube shorts. You can also add captions for free to any videos you might want to be uploading to TikTok or Instagram Reels or anything really. And this is a free program that you can get for PC and for Mac. If you want to see how to do that really quickly, stick around and I'll show you right now. Okay, so it's really easy to add captions to your videos. All you need to do is download the software CapCut, which you can use for free. CapCut is a video editing program created by the company who's responsible for TikTok. So once you've downloaded and installed the CapCut desktop version, simply add the video that you want to add captions to by clicking this import here and make sure you're on the media right there. I've actually created 2 YouTube shorts and I want to add captions to them. So this is like a 1-minute video. You just grab the video and drag it down onto the timeline. And then you want to navigate over to where it says text and then select auto captions right here and hit create. This will listen to any of the speaking in your video and it will automatically generate captions. Make sure that your background music isn't too loud in your video if you put any in so that it might overpower your voice, because the software will have problems actually converting that to text. So this is it right here. I'm going to drag it up to the middle and then I'm also going to change, I just double clicked on that there. I'm going to change the font size. For YouTube Shorts and for TikTok, I like to use about size 19. And if the auto-generated captions have anything incorrect in them, you can just edit the text over here. I just wanted that to be a capital letter. You can also select, like if you scroll down, you can select the text style or color so it pops a little bit more. So you can see here on my YouTube short, I've got really nice looking captions now. Now all I have to do is go through and just check all of these to make sure that there's no spelling mistakes. Although I see so many YouTube shorts and TikTok videos that they have done these auto-generated captions and they're full of spelling mistakes. It actually sometimes gets a little bit more engagement because people get annoyed and say comments that you spelt words wrong and things like that. So that is how you can add captions for free. You can do this for the vertical style video. You can do this for the horizontal standard YouTube or even square videos. Any video format, you can do it in this CapCut program. I just really like how easy and quick it is to add these auto captions. And when you're ready, you just go to File and Export, and your video will be exported with these high quality captions, because a lot of people do watch YouTube and TikTok sometimes with the sound off. And if they can see the captions, it might hook them into your video and you'll get some extra watch time. And it just looks really cool. It's one of the latest trends in the short form content. Make sure you do like this video and subscribe. Leave the comment yes if you would like to see more videos on CapCut. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.